Hey guys, today we are in Florida, Massachusetts, exploring another abandoned place. This is the compressor building that was used to build the Hoosac Tunnel. There were 3 turbines here that were powered by water that delivered compressed air up to the tunnel so that they could do the drilling. Now the building dates to about the mid-1860s, so it's 150 years old. There's really not a whole lot left of it now except for the bricks and rocks that were used to build it. And I guess these were rocks that were probably taken from the site when they were drilling out the tunnel. So let's go in and take a closer look. So we're on one of the walls right now, and that's the Deerfield River there, and below are the 3 turbines, which I'll show you. This is the wall I was standing on.